So I got some well-deserved payouts the past few weeks, sticking only to one simple setup on volume profile trading. So I would say stick around till the end and I'll show you exactly how you can use this setup to your advantage and get some payouts as well. So let's do this. You can clearly see right here how consistent this setup is. I have only here 3 losing days and the other ones are all winning days. So we have here 144, 700, 500, 260, 250, 300, 250. So I'm really consistent with my profits right here. So guys, I'm not here to flex with my profits, right? I only want to show you what is possible when you only stick to one setup every day, and when the setup appears, you buy or sell the market. Okay, so right here, this is a good example on Friday's trading. We have here a perfect example of this setup. So the only thing you do right here is mark out the value area high from the overnight session and the value area low. So you only need 2 lines for this setup, guys. So I will just put away the regular trading profile right here because we don't actually need it right here to show you this. So you actually only need this right here: overnight session, value area high, value area low. What we can see right here is straight away we push out from value area high right here. Okay, you can see this clearly. We push out aggressively, and then what's happening, guys? We're coming back to retest value area high. We reject it. You can see this clearly on this candle right here. You can see this. So this candle right here is your trigger candle to go into a long position. Okay, you can clearly see we're just pushing 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, 4 5-minute candles straight to the upward side and breaking this high right here. So only by looking this on this setup, it's so easy to understand, guys. You just wait for a breakout of value and a retest. That's the whole thing I'm doing with this other PA account that I'm showing you before. So I have only a 3-step process right here. I mark out the value area high, value area low. I'm looking for major news. If there are major news, I'm not trading, okay? And then it's going into execution. So that's how easy trading can be. With only 2 lines, you have a strict setup, you have strict rules. If the market retests this level, you jump in. If not, then you don't have a trade this day, okay? So let's go here a little bit back to show here another example. So right here as well, only looking by overnight session, value area high and value area low right here. What you can see is straight away we push out aggressively to the upward side right here. You can see this right here. We push out aggressively, we come back, we don't get any rejection on this value area high. We break through this value area high, and then we coming back up. And now it's getting really important, guys. You can see this when I zoom here a little bit in. You can see this right here. We push back up, we retesting right in here. When you watch out for this 5-minute candle right here, what is giving you this? We retest, we wicked on this level. So you can see this wick right here. So we retest and wicked this level. Okay, so that's right here would be a no-brainer to look out for a buying position. So let's say we jump actually here in on this 5-minute candle right here. Okay, so on the 5-minute candle, you jump in with a buying position. You can go on this low right here with a stop loss, okay, and you target, I don't know, I want to risk to reward or something, and you get this trade, right? You can see this clearly. We push down, we reject, and we go to the upward side. So when the market actually shows you that it wants to stay above value, then it's a no-brainer to look out for this retest. So when the market actually decides to test this line multiple times, you should not hesitate to jump in with 1 trade, 2 trades, or even 3 trades, depending on your risk to reward ratio. So let's actually go here a little bit back and let's see on this trading day right here. So let's just mark out the value area highs and value area lows right here. How you actually get this rejection often than not. Okay, so let's see right here. What you have is this breakout, this break back in. We don't look out for a trade. We break out, we retest on this right here, and we get this aggressive move to the downward side, right? So another winning day. Let's delete these lines right here and let's watch this trading day right here. So when you really want, you only could look out for your overnight session value area high and value area low, and then look out for your trades. But I'm not doing this. I'm actually looking on the regular trading hours as well. So on this profile right here, when I plot this back on, I'm looking here as well. If we're getting nodes outside printed of value, then I know that the market should look for higher value or lower value, depending on either side it puts a node in. Okay, so let's get rid of this and let's just watch right here. So what we can see, guys, right in here, now this is a little bit tricky, right? So you can see we push out, we get a retest, we actually get a nice wick as well. You jump here in and you get stopped out, but no problem, guys. We just wait and we can see we push to the upward side. We're getting a retest right in here, and then we wick on this level, and then we push to the upward side. So this right here should definitely be your second trade. So let's say, guys, you jump here in on this trade, the stop goes underneath this wick and you target a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So you get here down the $500 stop loss, and above here you get your 1,000 profit. So net you would have 500 for the day. So, and then you go away and wait for the next trading day. So let's go here back. So let's watch for this trading day right here. So guys, this is right here is a little bit tricky because I'm waiting always about 30 minutes to put on a trade, because the beginning of the New York session is too volatile for me. Okay, and but you can see that before New York opens, we push above value, we hold above value, and then we extremely push to the upward side. So this right here would be no trading day when you only trading this setup that I'm showing you right in here, okay, because you don't get a retest on value. So this will probably not a trading day when you only looking out for this specific setup. But what I am always as well doing, guys, is put out the fixed range volume profile right here, and only by looking on this leg right here, you can see that we have here low volume nodes right here. You can see this right in here. We have low volume nodes on this level underneath this value area high level. So it gives me extra confidence to take this trade. And then that's for me a no-brainer to look out for this buying position, because we have a LVN, we have a value area high, we are outside of value area high, we're putting in a node above value area high. So there are so much confluences right in here, and I put all these things together to get the best possible trade every day, guys. You need to recognize this. You don't need to trade every day. If you don't get your setup, you are done trading this day, guys. You need to really stick to your plan. When you hit your profit target, good. When you hit your stop loss, good. All right, so you stop trading, you go on to the next day and you search for the exact same setup, and this is what you are doing every day. And when you wait 2 months or something, you get your payout and it's all worth it. All right, so you don't always need these massive winning days, right? You don't always need this 1,000 or 2,000 winning days. I am only looking for $250 or $500 every day. I'm only looking for this amount of money that I should make every day. Okay, so I would say, guys, backtest this exact setup, and when you get a little bit more comfortable, you can put on the fixed volume profile range or the regular trading hours profile to get more confidence on your trades. And when you go a little bit advanced, you can look at footprint or delta as well to look out for buying or selling pressure. So guys, I wish you all the best in your trading journey, and when you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, hit the like button. I appreciate it, and I will put my effort in to make more videos like that. So I will say we see us in the next video.